Poha is one of the most nutritious, quick, and easily digestible breakfasts and snack food of Bharat. It has numerous variants in different parts of the country. And today I will show you how I make it at home and hope you would give it a try and love it too. There are basically three varieties of poha available in the market depending on their thickness. One is thick poha, the second is medium thick poha, and the third is thin poha. So to make this recipe, I am using 2 cups of medium thick poha. Rinse it gently with 2 glasses of water and drain it immediately or else it will become mushy. While rinsing, poha absorbs water and softens. After that, keep it aside. In a thick bottom pan, add oil and fry 1/4 cup of peanuts on low flame. You can also dry roast them instead. Once done, remove it from oil and keep it aside. Then, in the same pan, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it crackle. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 long slit and chopped green chilli, some curry leaves, now add 1-inch long grated ginger. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute onions till they become translucent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 small potato chopped into small cubes. One tablespoon of salt. Cover it with lid and let the potatoes cook. Let's check if the potatoes are cooked or not. I could split it with ease, which means it is cooked. Now add softened poha to it and combine it well. fried peanuts, and chopped coriander leaves. Adding ginger, potatoes, peanuts, coriander leaves, and lemon juice make my poha flavorful and nutritious. Cover it with lid and cook it on low flame for 1 minute and switch off the stove. Our tasty and healthy poha is ready. If you enjoyed watching my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.